Have you ever wanted to share your ideas on YouTube but felt held back by the thought of being on camera? Many aspiring creators feel the exact same way. The pressure to have the right lighting, the perfect background, the confidence to speak to a lens can feel overwhelming. But there is a wonderful and increasingly popular alternative. You can create compelling videos, professional videos, valuable videos without ever showing your face. Focus purely on the quality of your content, your message, the value you provide to your audience. This guide will walk you step by step through making your first faceless YouTube video. We will leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to make it easier and faster. You do not need expensive equipment or a film crew. All you need is an idea and a willingness to follow a few straightforward steps. Perfect for beginners who want to get started quickly. By removing the barrier of filming yourself, you can start sharing your knowledge today. Let's go from a simple idea to a finished video, ready to share with the world. The core principle is efficiency, simplicity. We break the complex task of video creation into manageable parts. First, choose a topic, then use AI to write a script. After that, turn the script into scenes. Next, add a voiceover, add visuals, add captions. Finally, put it all together and get it ready for YouTube. This structured approach removes guesswork. It's less about technical skill, more about clear communication. If being on camera has held you back, this is your sign to begin. You can build a successful channel, connect with an audience, share your passions, all from behind the scenes. The first and most crucial step in this entire process is to choose a simple topic. This might sound obvious, but many new creators go wrong. They choose topics that are too broad, too complex, or too ambitious for a short video. A topic like the history of finance is massive and hard to cover well. Instead, narrow your focus to something small, specific, and easily explainable. Think of your video as one helpful answer to one simple question. Clarity helps viewers understand and makes the AI scripting process much more effective. Let's look at examples. Instead of how to be productive, 3 simple tips to organize your desk for better focus. Instead of learning to cook, the easiest way to boil a perfect egg. 5 keyboard shortcuts everyone should know. How to take better photos with your phone. A 5-minute morning stretch routine. These are contained topics that deliver a clear, tangible benefit fast. Keeping it simple is your secret weapon. Once you have a few small ideas, pick just one. Resist combining multiple ideas. Make content that's easy to digest. Now that you have your simple topic, it is time to use AI to generate the script. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Your interaction with the AI is a conversation, and the key to a good conversation is clarity. The prompt you write is your instruction to the AI. A vague prompt will give you a vague and often unusable script. A specific, detailed prompt will give you a script that is well-structured, matches your desired tone, and is almost ready to go. Think of yourself as a director giving precise instructions to an actor. The better your instructions, the better the performance you will get. Let's break down how to write a specific and effective AI prompt. You should include several key pieces of information. First, state the topic clearly. Second, define the tone you want: friendly, professional, funny, or calm. Third, specify the length. Fourth, ask the AI to structure the output into scenes, with an intro and a short outro. Here is a concrete example of a strong prompt. Write a friendly and encouraging 90-second script on 3 simple tips to organize your desk for better focus for students and people who work from home. Structure it into 5 scenes, use simple language and short sentences. Once your AI script is ready, it's time to turn it into a visual plan or storyboard. You don't need to be an artist, a simple list is fine. The goal is to match every line of your script to a visual. This plan makes editing a simple assembly process later on. For example, you might plan an animated title, a shot of clearing a desk, and a still image of the organized result. To keep viewers engaged, change the visual every 6 to 12 seconds. Use a mix of stock clips, images, screen recordings, and simple text animations. With your script and scene plan ready, it's time to assemble your video's core components: voiceover, visuals, and captions. For the voiceover, you can record your own voice with a simple mic or phone app. Or use a realistic AI voice generator by pasting your script and choosing a style. Next, gather your visuals. Search stock sites for clips that match your script, or record your screen for computer steps. Keep clips short and relevant to what's being said. In your editor, place your voiceover track first, then add your video clips and captions on top. Captions are essential, as many people watch with the sound off. Finally, add soft background music at a low volume and gentle fades between scenes for a polished finish. You have assembled all the pieces, and your video is nearly complete. The final step is to export your project and prepare it for YouTube. Choose the right settings, a 16:9 aspect ratio. The most common resolution is 1920 by 1080 pixels. If you used high-quality clips, you could export in 4K. Name your final file clearly, ideally the video title. Before you upload, note common mistakes. First, putting too much text on the screen at once. Entire paragraphs are hard to read. Instead, use captions for the full script, and on-screen text only for key highlights, titles, and short bullet points. Keep text big, bold, and brief. Second, static, boring scenes. Avoid holding a single image or clip longer than 10 to 12 seconds. Cut to a new visual regularly. With your file saved, prepare the upload. Write a clear title that tells people exactly what the video is about. Then write a simple description with relevant links. Create a custom thumbnail. It's the first thing people see, so make it eye-catching with a relevant image and bold text from your title. Finally, take this knowledge and put it into action. The only way to get better at making videos is by making videos. If you want a head start with the AI scripting process, I have a free prompt pack. It contains copy and paste prompts for tutorials and listicles. Use them to generate scripts, scene breakdowns, and ideas for your voiceover. This pack speeds up your workflow. You can download it for free, start small, stay consistent, and you will be amazed at what you can create.